thinking now, today there is a special video. I am recording my voice. Before I was just recording the music. So today I want to share you because I am really excited about it. What do you know? In my school, tomorrow there is conducting Mathleto 2K19. Actually, it's a max fair. Look, I made a working model of ATM. Is it nice? Let us see how it works. Step 1. Press the power button. If any mistake, press the restart button. Step 2. Just place the card and press your password. Step 3. Insert the card properly. Then you can get the cash. Step 4. You can collect the receipt. Then remove the card out. Let me look if it is correct, my cash. I have 104 rupees. 100, then 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, it is correct. Really? I'm just kidding, okay? Don't think that I don't know anything. I know that you know this is 50 pies. And actually this is the old 1 rupee. Old 1 rupee Naya Paisa of 1962. When we are using in the past, how cute this 1 rupee coin was. Cute, this was my collection. Such collections. I think you like it. So, you should not forget to subscribe this or share and like it. Really, I made 2 things for tomorrow. I only showed you one. So let us look what is that. Okay, do you know what is this? It's just like a pieces, right? Do you know what is this? Actually, this is a Tangram. The Tangram has a dissection puzzle consisting of 7 flat shapes called tans. With 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. It has 7 pieces, which are put together to form shapes. The objective of the puzzle is to form a specific shape using all 7 pieces, which cannot keep overlap. It is one of the most popular dissection puzzles in the world. Let us look how to make a square with these all 7 pieces. I'm only showing this and stopping the video because if this video is long, you will be really bored. So I'm not showing another models. There are 2 small and 3 big triangles. I'm confused to which to keep first. So I am doing like this. These 2 are same size and this is the small one, right? So I am keeping the small triangle first. Then one small one I am going to keep here. I am going to keep here. Then the rectangle. Sometimes the rectangle be square also. So you should not confuse that it became square like that, okay? Then this is another small one and I'm keeping that small one here. Then the next one here. It became the half of the square. Then next there are two triangle left. So I am keeping it like this. The square is ready. Now this is a tangram with every 7 pieces. Again, I am reminding you, don't forget to subscribe, share, ring the bell, like, and leave comments. Bye-bye. Please pray for me. It should be success tomorrow.